how to fix HP laptop that won't turn on or charge. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different steps that can help fix an HP laptop that is not turning on, won't charge, and the screen is just black. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if your HP computer is not turning on and it's not charging, the first thing we need to do is just unplug everything from the computer. So this includes the charging cable, maybe USB external hard drives or external mouse, and even HDMI cables. Unplug everything from the sides of the laptop so that there is nothing plugged in. Now, what we need to do once we've unplugged everything is do what's called a hard reset. And don't worry, this does not affect the files that are saved on your computer. All we need to do is find the power button, and on my computer, it looks like that. We're going to hold down that power button for 15 seconds. So just hold down the power button for 15 seconds. This will clear out some of the cache and just force the computer, if it is on, to turn off. Once you have held it down for 15 seconds, you can let go. And now what I recommend doing is plugging in the charging cable. If your charging cable is like mine, where it has a little charge box like this, just make sure that the actual power cable is correctly connected to the adapter here. So then your computer is actually getting power. So once you plugged it in, all you need to do is just hold down the power button again, but this time for 2 to 3 seconds, and then wait around 10 to 15 seconds, and it should boot up. So there, I saw the backlight turn on, and now we have the HP logo. So now the laptop is turned on, I can start using it, and I can sign into my computer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.